Are you constantly feeling overwhelmed by a mountain of tasks and looming deadlines? Do you spend hours staring at a blank screen, struggling to craft the perfect email? The daily grind of modern work can feel like a never-ending battle against the clock. But what if you had a secret weapon, an intelligent assistant ready to help you? What if I told you that artificial intelligence can solve these everyday problems, transforming your workflow from chaotic to streamlined, not in some distant future, but starting right now, today? AI tools like ChatGPT can write full emails in seconds, polite, professional, and personalized. AI calendars like Motion or Reclaim automatically plan your day, balancing work and breaks. AI assistants can create meal plans, generate shopping lists, and even suggest recipes. Instead of spending hours on dense text, AI summarizers like Perplexity or Claude condense research papers into key points for you instantly. We've all been there, staring at a blank page, feeling the immense pressure of a creative block. But what if you had a tireless brainstorming partner? AI tools can act as that perfect creative catalyst. Feed them a simple prompt to generate dozens of blog outlines or catchy YouTube titles in mere seconds. Musicians can get unique chord progressions, while artists can generate concept sketches to spark entirely new directions. AI helps you leap over hurdles and get back to what you do best, creating. So the next time your to-do list feels endless and life seems overwhelming, remember you're not facing it alone. You have a powerful, intelligent partner by your side. AI is about augmenting your own capabilities, freeing up your mental space to focus on what truly matters: creativity, strategy, and human connection. The tools we've explored are just the beginning of this journey. The world of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving, bringing new solutions to our oldest problems. To continue mastering these transformative technologies, subscribe to our channel. We're dedicated to bringing you the latest AI hacks and practical strategies to supercharge your productivity, and we want to hear from you. Your challenges inspire our content, so comment below. What's the one big problem you wish AI could solve next?